Do you ever have that urge to just shampoo your hair with onions? We're doing it today. We've got the weirdest shampooing products from Amazon. We're gonna test them out, try them, see if they're any good. Starting with shampoo sheets. Shampoo sheets. Had a little lisp there. I was expecting them to be like oil absorbing sheets, very small. You get 20 of these sheets for $9. So that's 45 cents a sheet. I'm extremely jealous of people that can do math inside their head quickly. You know the ones. You'll ask them what 654,000 times 4 is, and without a thought, they just spit off the answer. The other day I had to get my calculator out when I was giving somebody a tip. Do we or do we not tip at the Chinese buffet when you are getting the food to go yourself? My brain said no, but she was watching me. I would have gave her $10 extra just to turn around. I put the card in and she turns the screen around and tells me it's gonna ask me a question. We know it's not gonna ask me how my day is, it's gonna ask me how much do I wanna leave for a tip. And this one caught me off guard because most of them now have the percentage already done for you, 10, 15, 20%, and you just click the button. This one was fill in the blank. I took my phone and put my hand over it, cupping it, so she would maybe think I was checking my bank account or something. But really, I was on the calculator app. What's $12.41 plus $3? Oh, that's $15.41. So yeah, 45 cents a sheet, that's a lot. I love the foreshadowing of this listing. They have a bald guy on there to show us how this works. I shampooed my hair yesterday. Oh yeah, that is gross, but it's already oily. See this? And apparently all you do is just rub this on and it's gonna refresh the hair. It is kind of working. I would have to use several of these. It does look better, but doesn't work as well as just dry shampoo. And much like those oil blotting papers for your face, you can see the oil, the darker spots. Do you see that? Despite the amazing reviews, I'm gonna pass. If you're in need of dry shampoo and are looking for a more compact way to use it or carry it, you can use arrowroot powder in a little dish with a makeup brush. Works great. And if anyone cares, these are made with paper starch and clay. I do love the idea though. It makes me a little jealous when people have good ideas. Kind of like the pet rock theory. You got to quit your day job gluing googly eyes on rocks. A crown washing shower cap. What? Won't he do it? We are being blessed. There's 2 in here. This is for lazy people who don't want to wash all their hair. It's for me. These are $10. Another product with amazing reviews. And I love that we've got 2. Who wants one of these? So these work by covering up the ends of your hair. It's like a little raincoat, so you only shampoo your roots. You put your hair in a loose pony up top. The hair goes in this little bun, drawstring it really tight, and I guess you wrap it in a bun. Pony over this to keep it tight. Then you would go over your sink at your house and shampoo this. Let's try it. You stand over here by the heat dish. So this will be kind of like a condom for the rest of our hair. This is bad on the L5. And it should keep the rest of this dry. I remember trying the real one when I used to wear way too many hair extensions. I don't remember if I liked it or not. I don't think so because I'm pretty sure I gave it away. Oh, it worked. Ta-da! Now you would just take a blow dryer and dry the roots. I don't foresee myself using this. And I'm someone who shampoos my hair almost every single day because I sweat so much in the gym. But if I had a lot of extensions, whoa, are you okay? But if I had a lot of extensions like I used to wear, too many, this would be useful. And it actually does work. A lot of the reviews are saying it doesn't work, but it does work. You just have to make sure it's really nice and tight at the base. Onion shampoo bars, you get 2. These are $10. And according to the Google, onion promotes hair growth and controls excess oil due to sulfur and nutrients. Wow, I hate that. This also has biotin, which adds natural shine, strengthens the hair. I can't speak again today. And rosemary to cleanse. Let's see how well it lathers up. That's actually pretty decent. Sometimes shampoo bars don't lather really well or as well as traditional bottle shampoo. And the smell kind of dies off. It is a very heavy rosemary pizza Italian smell. So I'll use this for a while and give you an update on how this works. Shampoo caps by Cuckoobuy. Intern Sunshine strikes again with another great name. You get 3 of these for $9. Oh, nice. Feels like a Kirkland signature diaper. The smell is powdery baby powder. You add water to this, put the shampoo cap on your head and massage it in and remove it. So you don't need you don't need a sink. So these are for elderly care, pregnant people, when you're camping, travel, or post-surgery. When you get that BBL, you can't shampoo your hair because it's too much going on. Listen, I love a BBL. I'll be staring at that. I will be staring at that. How can you not stare at that? There's this girl I go to the gym with. I mean, I don't go to the gym with her. You know, we don't arrive together. We're just always there at the same time. She makes workout videos, but has a very obvious BBL. She'll be squatting. Actually, I met someone the other day who got a BBL in Mexico for like $10,000. So we're gonna add 120 milliliters of warm water. The water goes inside the cap, right? I don't see any suds. Then you put this over your head, all your hair in here, and massage this for 3 minutes. Well, if you got a BBL, you're gonna need someone else to do this for you because you won't be able to lift your arms, right? Because don't they put implants, suction. I guess I really don't even know what a BBL is. Ready? And apparently that's all you do. You don't rinse it, you just brush this and blow dry it. It did make my hair feel soft. I mean, there is a lot of product here, suds or soap, but maybe it'll dry and look nice. This is really cool. It is wasteful, but it is really cool for elderly people if you're in the hospital or getting your BBL. So yeah, it's great for all the things they're saying it's great for. That is a pretty good idea. A hair steamer by Sis Wow. Sis Wow. Oh, it's beautiful. Same material as a lunchbox. Comes with a cord and a bonnet. This is $20. The first step is to shampoo your hair, towel dry your hair, and then apply a conditioning treatment or conditioner. And then cover with the towel cap and then place the steamer lunchbox over that. Okay, we've already done the shampoo part. For the treatment, we're gonna use one of these gems, the Stress Less Repair one. I just made a video about these on my hair channel, but to save you 8 minutes, you'll never get back. They're just little shampoo pucks you put into water. Well, this one's a conditioner puck. You put into water and it makes shampoo conditioner. Honestly, they're not my favorite, but we've got them, so we're gonna use them. You put this in the water for 3 seconds and then it will make a conditioner. Ta-da! So we'll use this as a deep conditioner or conditioning treatment. Let me get the bangs, they're pretty fried. What I started doing that has been kind of an obsession lately, I have a pair of scissors or shears I keep in my car, and while I'm waiting for whatever I'm doing, I'll hold my hair up to the sunlight and sit there and cut the split ends. Hell, I'm not gonna have any hair left. It's all dead. But I had a lot of fun yesterday. I was looking at my hair under the microscope, the split ends. Talk about a wild Friday night. It really was fun. We put this terry cloth cap over it so it doesn't directly touch the lunchbox and get our hair too hot. The theory behind this is you apply the product, conditioning treatment, oil, whatever you're using, and it'll heat up the hair to allow the product to absorb inside the hair so you get a better effect of the actual product. We've got it plugged up. This goes over it, and then there's a drawstring in the back. Do you see that? I look like a conspiracy theorist. On button, you can do 30 minutes, 45, and 60 minutes? There's not anything in this world I'm doing for 60 minutes. And it has heat settings 1 through 10. What does that little zipper thing do? Why would it do that? I have no idea. Oh, it's getting hot already? Has that same smell the last one we tried, which I actually have been using. I don't know what video it was in. It was a heating cap that had rice in it. You put it in the microwave and then put it over your head. So it's not electric. It's basically like a heating pad. It has that same burnt rice smell. I actually do use that one a lot. I wish this got a little bit tighter though. She just looks so cool wearing hers and I don't. Maybe it's the earrings. If I had a choice between this one and the one you put in the microwave, I would just get the microwavable one. This one's pretty heavy, so is the other one, but I just prefer that one. But I do like this.